Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today I want to show you my entry into the Makers Rock 2018 collaboration with Matt Haas, which apparently there's over 30 folks that entered into this thing. So I'll be sure to leave a link down below to the full playlist. But before you do that, check out what I did. Huh? How cool is... Oh wait, that's not it. How about that? Huh? So I chose to go with Rage Against the Machine, Renegades of Funk, or just Renegades album cover, because we all had to choose something from the 90s. And yeah, you want to see how I did it? Stick around. Okay, maybe that looked a little more easy than it really was. To be fair, I did try this many different times. In fact, originally tried it in just some scrap plywood, and that was a failure here. This one turned out like crap, and I finally got that looking good here. So then I was like, okay, well, I'm ready. Let me go ahead and try it on the PVC, the colored PVC. And then, of course, the very first one messes up, where the bit gets stuck and pushes the whole, I guess, material over and loses its grip. So that one messes up. And luckily, after I did that, these other ones turned out okay, which ended up with this final product that you see here. I'm pretty happy with that. So now what I'm going to do is just take some thin plywood and cut it in 12-inch by 12-inch. Glue this guy down to that, and then we'll build a little border and we'll call it done. So let's do that now. Well, there you have it, folks. Hopefully that was a little bit more fun to watch. I took a little bit more time in the videography side of things just to have a little bit of fun with it. But all in all, it was a fairly simple project, although I wanted to challenge myself with building basically puzzle pieces or inlays in this kind of way. I've never actually created inlays that would fit into each other just to have this one has, which I thought was kind of a cool way of doing it. And the other thing is I've never actually cut PVC material before. Excuse me, PVC material before, so this was the first time that I've done that as well. So, you know, these kind of projects are just a lot of fun because, you know, you can do whatever you want, and this is your opportunity to get out there and kind of just try something new that you haven't done before. So in this case, I decided to you know, try the PVC and also the inlays. So hope you liked it, folks, and I will see you next time. Hey, Matt. No, I wasn't trying to give it away. I mean, it was... Alright, fine. When is it? April 4th? Okay. Alright, I guess I'll just ask him to, you know, put a comment down below of maybe their favorite band from the 90s or something, and then just pick a winner. Okay. Alright, man, sounds good. Alright, bye. Alright, well, you heard the guy, so leave a comment down below of your favorite band from the 90s, and I will pick a winner on April 4th. Sounds good? Alright, take care.